guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use and set up Mihon Manga Reader app. Yes, so first thing you have to do is open up the app just like this. Once you open it up, you choose any theme you want to use. So you just click on next, you select a folder, click on that, and just select any folder, or you can just create a new one if you want. So I'm just going to click on Mihon right there, click on use, click on allow, and click on storage guide as well. So once you go through the storage guide, it's going to load up. So you can see, you can read through it. Click on next. Once you click on next, you have to grant all this: allow, permission, allow as well, and allow. Click on next, click on get started, and you're going to go through that. Click on. So once you do that, this is the way it looks like. So you click on more, click on settings, click on browse right here. Once you click on browse, you can see extension stores and it's empty, so you can click on add to add any extension of your choice. So once you do that, go to your Chrome. Sorry, this is not my Chrome. Go to your Chrome just like this, and you're going to search for Kyoshi extension. You can see it. Click on the first one, the Gilbert website. Once you click on that, you scroll down and you're going to see usage right here, or guide. Click on this, yes, and it's going to go right into, and you're going to click on add, and you have added a extension to your manga reader app. And you can also see download queue and other things. You can see the browse icon right here, extensions you can use and add, and also migrate sources and the rest of that. So this is virtually how to use the Mihon Manga Reader app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see my next video. Bye.